Hello, my name's Gavin, and this is a brief sync episode on how to set up Apache2 on your GCP Cloud Compute instance. Now to do this, it's fairly simple and I'll show you real quickly. So all you want to do is over here on the home screen, go up here to the navigation menu, this little hamburger bar, go to Compute Engine, VM Instances. Once you're here, click this little drop down and do vgcloud shell, run shell. And this may take some time depending on how often you use it. Okay, once you're here, you'll simply want to copy and paste these three commands. I'll leave them down in the description, but simply sudo apt-get updates, run that. It'll run some updates on whatever operating system you chose. Next command will be sudo apt-get upgrade. Just copy and paste that. Yes. Okay, once everything's done, I'm just gonna run clear that, and then simply paste sudo apt-get install Apache2. And then once you do this, it'll ask you to hit yes or no. Hit yes, just Y, and then it will install Apache. Okay, and now that that's all good to go, now if we simply copy and paste this external IP address, you can see if it worked or not. So I'll just paste that right here. And here we see the Apache2 default page. Now, if you see this, everything worked flawlessly and you're good to go. If you like this brief sync episode, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear feedback on this episode as well as suggestions for future content. Besides that, continue learning and have a nice day.